Hey, this is my ACA hurricane siren that wrote 10 rivers. Hey, she's in charge of this tornado siren. And he's the controller box. There's the flag. This is a signal. Right here's the blower. Next, it's the Thunderbolt 1003. This rotating reverse. And there's the controller box. This flag is for signal and juice. This is the blower. Next siren, it's the Model 2. He's in charge of this siren. Here's the controller block for the Model 2. This is the Model 2. And here's the modulator. 5 speaker cell. And this is the controller box. This is the 88PS16, and this is the modulator. And he's in charge of the tornado siren. Here's the fire station. Here's the Here's the computer. Here's where they have the food. Here's the modulator 8 speaker cell and the 88PS. Here's the Model 2. Here's the antenna. Next, this is the video's over. Please like and subscribe and comment, like and subscribe. Please click the bell for more information. Bye.